Domes Industries. This is the largest stationery and art products company that is in the market in our country, and it was recently listed in the stock market. But thing is that how is it in terms of an investment? Is it a good investment? We have to check the fundamentals of this company and the growth, because these things needs to grow, because it is completely dependent on the sales, how many people are buying, how its sales is growing, how the profit is growing. That is the only thing that is going to define the company's growth in terms of share price, right? So in this video we are going to watch the fundamentals, and then the shareholding pattern. We'll see how the smart money and the promoters are looking into this company, and then we'll go to the price action and see when will be a good time to make an entry in DOMS Industries, right? So make sure to watch this video till the end, but please remember that this is not a stock recommendation video. This is just an educational and informational video. So with that said, let's get started. Alright, hello everyone and welcome back to another video of Financial Impulse. So in this video we are going to we are going to analyze DOMS Industries. Okay, so first of all I would like to take you to the official website of DOMS Industries. This is the official website, and I will share the link, and you can get to know what all product it deals with and many things. But you won't get much information here, because this will just list out the products, and more important than this will be the fundamentals number that we are going to discuss in this video. Okay, so let's get straight into action. And coming to the current share price of DOMS Industries, it is 2908 with a market cap of 17,651. So it is a mid cap as of now, and very soon it could become a large cap after it crosses 20,000 crore market cap. Okay, reserves it has is 840 crore and a debt of 204 crore. So the debt to equity ratio is actually very good. 3 years average sales growth 56, which is very good. Average profit growth 190, and average earning per share growth 28.83. So these numbers are looking very good. Interest coverage ratio 18.90 is a very good number. Current ratio 2.46 is also a very good number. Operating profit margin 18.59, and you can see the other companies are also having similar, okay, similar, almost similar numbers, and in fact DOMS Industries has the highest one. Okay, and coming to PE, the industry P is 15.79, and the stock P is 88.64. Now you will say that this is extremely overvalued and you should not buy it. Well, this will be wrong, because the stocks whose PE is actually greater than the industry PE are actually in demand, and the stock prices tend to move higher and higher for this company. You can take a look by going into the history, analyzing, you will find the same result. Okay, undervalued stocks are good for buying stocks at a lower price, but that does not guarantee immediate returns or good returns over a span of 1 to 3 years, because they may take some time to catch up with the trend. Okay, and if it is undervalued, that means it is in either downtrend or it is in stage 1, it is forming a base, and it could last for few months to few years as well. So I would always prefer a stock with PE higher than the industry PE, because it clearly tells that it is in demand and the stock price has a very high probability of going higher and higher in a very short span of time. So considering that, this is not a bad investment in terms of PE, I'm saying. Okay, and coming to Altman Z score 23.61 is a very good number. Okay, so the fundamentals so far are looking good, no red flags as of now. Coming to profit and loss statement, so the sales have grown nicely from 1212 crores in 2023 to 1537 crore in 2024, then 1808 crore in trailing 12 months. Operating profit 187, 273, 336, good growth. Then operating profit margin 15%, 18%, 19%. There is also growth in operating profit margin. So clearly this company is strongly growing, no doubt about that. Right, now coming to shareholding pattern. So if we consider the last 2 quarters data, then we see that the promoters were holding 74.95% in September 2024. Then in December they reduced the stake to 70.38%. They reduced it by almost 5%, slightly less than 5%. But at the same time we get to see the FIs have increased their stakes from 7.6% to almost 10%. Okay, so this is a good growth, around 2.4% increase in just 1 quarter. This is a good number. and same with REI, 4.10% to 15.71%. They have also increased their stake by 1.6%. Okay, so this is clearly telling that, okay, that is 1.24 and FIs have increased by 2.4. So if we combine, it becomes a total of 4% increase in stake by the smart money. Okay, now coming to public holding, it was 3.36, currently 3.59. So very small stake is being held by the public, which is actually a good thing, because the smart money and the promoters are so confident about the stock that they are not ready to give it to the public. They are holding the maximum stake in this company, which is a very good thing. Okay, so fundamentals wise, this company is very good, no problem at all. Okay, now let's go to the price action and see when could be a good time to make an entry in Domes Industries. Okay, so this is Domes Industry, and let me clear out all the drawings so that it will be simple, and I will go to the weekly chart, and you can see after getting listed in December 2023, the stock actually started a good rally. Okay, and it continued going up, and it went up by around 119% in almost 1 year. Okay, almost in 1 year, and then we get to see some drop. But if I enable the 40 weeks moving average, which is the 200 days moving average, we see that the stock is actually finding support at that level. Okay, we can clearly see it is resting over that, but if we pay little bit closer attention, we get to see some strong bullish candles. Okay, back to back bullish candles here again, and I can clearly draw one trend line here. Okay, by going to the daily time frame, I can clearly draw one trend line here like this. Okay, connecting these 2 points, and I can see one kind of inverted head and shoulder pattern. Where is that? You see, this is the shoulder, this is the head. Okay, and this is one more shoulder. So inverted head and shoulder, and this one that I have drawn is the neckline. Okay, and we can see the neckline has been broken here. Okay, so does that mean that the bullish trend has started? Well, let's take some additional confirmation by seeing the momentum indicator RSI. So when we go to RSI, we see that the stock is actually above the 50 level. Okay, 50 RSI level, and it has become stable at this point. So it could continue to go up from here. But for additional confirmation, what I would suggest is that you can see at this level the stock actually faced resistance and came down, and this is the level of around 2900. Okay, and stock is currently trading at that level itself. Okay, so what I'm going to do is draw one red line here, and we are getting to see that the stock is actually starting to face resistance as it is coming closer to that 2900 level. You can see big wicks. Okay, big wicks. So a better and safer approach will be to wait for the stock to break above this level. Okay, it has already broken the neckline in daily time frame, no doubt about that, but we have to wait for the stock to break above this level. So that means it might cross 3000. Okay, and if it starts becoming stable at this point above this level 2900, okay, then we can consider an entry. Okay, and how much you are going to invest, how you are going to invest, all at a time or part by part, that is completely up to you. My job is to give you some hints. Okay, so 2900 to 3000 is a good level to watch. Okay, you have to watch here. Okay, and once it stays above that, okay, becomes strong and starts going up, then you can consider entering in the stock. And please remember that this is a long term stock, this is not for trading, because this industry is completely dependent on sales, as I mentioned. So if you consider this as a good company and you want to hold it for long term, maybe 2 year, 3 year, or more than 3 years, then definitely it's a good option. You just have to make the right entry at the right time, not to rush into it. Okay, so that was the overall analysis on Domes Industries, and I hope this video was useful and informative. Please hit the like button and subscribe to Financial Impulse if you have not done already. And if you are already finding my videos valuable, consider joining the Financial Impulse community, where you will get more stock analysis posts, and also you will be able to chat with me directly one to one on Discord. Thank you for watching. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye. Take care.